Meaning of gumdrop.
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 Gumdrop. Gumdrop is a noun that refers to a small, soft, chewy candy that often comes in bright colors and various flavors. It is a type of confectionery that is enjoyed by many people, particularly children, as a sweet treat. The name gumdrop likely comes from the candy's shape, which resembles a small, flattened droplet. Gumdrops are commonly used in decorating cakes, cookies, and other desserts, and can also be eaten on their own as a snack. Overall, gumdrops are a popular and well-known type of candy that are enjoyed by people of all ages.